Hey y'all, Nate here, Nate's Classic Cars. Today we're at my shop. We got a bit of a project we're getting ready to sell. This is a 1967 Shelby GT500. Like I said, this one is a project. We'll walk around, show it to you a little bit. Not a lot of metal work needed on this one yet. Does have all its original fiberglass. As you can see, this was a Wimbledon white car. They put the blue stripes over the top back in its heyday. But this is an original Wimbledon white, automatic, black interior, 10-spoke car. So it does have all its original fiberglass still on it. So you can see its original nose, original hood. Some of the metal work has already been started on this one. We've got the motor in it just for transport, but you know, water pump's already been rebuilt. Everything is original drivetrain on this one. So carburetors have been rebuilt. I'll kind of flip around. See that date code. So those are dated correct for this car. The dual 4 C7 ZX 9425A intake. Got the Le Mans valve covers. The original Radiator, West Modine date coded. So complete original drivetrain on this one. The C6 transmission as well. This car does have all its original stampings. So we can see here, you can also see that Shelby number over there. It'll show pretty good. And then this is the original tag here to my left. And on the right-hand side, this is a brand new, correct reproduction tag if somebody wanted to put a fresh one on there after they get a fresh restoration done. So this car's got a lot going for it. That's why we got it in here, and we're putting it out for sale for somebody to finish up this project. But one hell of a project. You can see the sheet metal is beautiful. This is Ford sheet metal. You can see the original steering wheel. We'll flip it over, show you that. So this car does have 83,000 miles on it. It's driven a little bit. All original interior, so these seat covers still beautiful. See all those components: the fold-down seat, trap door, roll bar, all still in place. Those original side scoops, both top and bottom. We'll get to the parts on the ground here in a little bit, but show you inside of the trunk. Original deck lid. So let's see if we can get under this a little bit. Oh, show you just these floors here. So you can see that torque box, great shape. Try to slide out. So a lot of new components on this thing. Obviously the 10 spokes ready to go. You can see got the fuel pump here, original gas cap in the box, fuel lines, trim bezels for the headlights. Go up here, got the spring covers. Oh, there's some plug wires there, obviously. Heater motor guard, bunch of components that have already been finished up there. Here you can see the under dash gauges. You can see the bumper brackets ready to go. Those inner vents, the splash shields, distributor laying there, sun visors, the whole power steering setup right there, all your pulleys, your rods, and over there's the crank. We didn't get those in. As the block's just sitting in there for easy transport. Here's the springs, the sway bar Come on this side. There's the outer bumper brackets, pedal assembly, redone seat belts, totally restored. There's a $1,200 receipt in there for that. Door panels. Kelsey Hayes brake set up, rebuilt, ready to go. Some NOS pieces in here. If I can keep that box open. Wipers are in there. Some of the trim. Here's the backing plates, latches, shock tower caps. Here is an original export brace, but it has been chromed. Like I said, this thing's got all original drivetrain. This is the Spec that came out of this car. Here's your door glass, the original fan blade, ready to go. There's some interior trim pieces in there as well. So just about everything's here to make this one one hell of a car. So like I said, original Wimbledon white car, original drivetrain. So it's got all the dated pieces up front. It's original C6 transmission, and also it's spec rear end. Again, this is 3147. One hell of a project we got for sale here at Nate's Classic Cars. We're going to price this one at $135,000. If you're interested, reach out to us. But we can give you a little pan around the shop. So we got a 68 black 4-speed with air KR. We got two Boss 9s, the one on the bottom, that's original paint. It's grabber orange. The one on top is grabber blue, black interior. That purple jewel back there, that's a purple 67 coupe. It's the only one ever painted that color. Behind that, I've got my 67 number 51 early black 4-speed 67 Shelby 350. The pastel one, which looks white, that is one of the last GT500 convertibles ever built. It's a 1974 speed. So just a lot of cool stuff hanging around the shop these days. I don't have everything in here, but we do have an NOS camera. Cool piece there. So she's for sale, this GT500 project. If you're interested, reach out. Again, the price is $135,000. You can reach out to me personally at Nate@natesclassiccars.com or visit the website. We'll see y'all again soon.